is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got something neat from Malaysia. This is Mamee Chef with their mee goreng rendang. Perisa Rendang Legenda. So that's what's going on right now. So we got 3 sachets. Yeah. Noodle block. There we go. Yeah. And this can go. These will end up housing the next review. Thank you very much. So yeah, you get a powder base, get a paste, and some fried onions. So you cook it, drain it, and then mix it all up, and you garnish with the fried onion. So that sounds good. I'm hoping that this will be the highlight of the day. So everybody's heard of Indomie as well. And there's a recipe that I was told about a long time ago, and it's called Internet. I'm like, what? What do you mean? And so basically it's Indomie telur cornet. Telur is corned beef, is egg, and then corned beef is the cornet. So I'm making Matternet? Matternet. I don't know, but it should be good. That's my thought on the situation. That's my take. I did see this done up on the packaging with basil. I don't have any basil. I got spring onion. But I've got other accoutrements that should make this thing pretty darn good. I've got some, I do have corned beef, and I do have a fried egg. So, I got that. I do have that. I want to say, the 3 that I did today, I did a Malaysian one for the Singaporean market. I did one made in, I don't know where they make the big cup noodles. Maybe in Singapore, but probably in Malaysia as well. I don't know. And then I've got this one. The amount of work I had to do to get these 3 reviews ready, the cup noodle was nothing. That I can crank out in like about 20-30 minutes. But these other 2 were multi-packs, so I scan those multi-pack. I basically dismantle the packaging for that, scan one half, scan the other half, clean up all the glare, put them together. That takes a while. It really does. It's a lot of work. So I hope you appreciate it. And when the review's out, I hope you look at it and click to enlarge, because there's a lot of work that went into these. I've been trying to do that with all the multi-packs from Mamee Chef. I didn't have any luck with the package. The packages are just too wrinkled. The last one I did went well, I think. But the one that I tried to do last night, it just wasn't happening. Was not gonna do it. Where's the... There it is. Oh, come on. I want you dry. Alright. So first off, we're gonna drain. Oh, we need to do that too. Noodle, drain ya. Looking good. All right. Noodle is drained. So So here is the powder, the dry seasoning base. Dry base. Need your sachet. Ooh, that smells strong. Ooh, I think this is gonna have some kick to it. And here is our paste. And we stir and combine. You already played that song. This smells really good. In fact, that basil I mentioned earlier, I'm getting a strong whiff of that in this. It smells like rendang. I don't know if it's pronounced correct. If it's rendang, because everything is o. Almost everything. There's a Korean variety, gomtang myeon. I used to call it gomtang, and then I got corrected. It's like no. And now I correct people when they say things wrong. I was always calling it samyang, but it's samyang. So this is definitely Mamee chef. Rendang, I think. Mee Goreng. And I gotta remember there's the fried onions, but I'll do that on when I plate. I know what fried onions taste like, and I know they're gonna be good on this. Let's see. That combined pretty well. All right, this smells absolutely fantastic, folks. I'm pretty jazzed. And here's the noodle. Good heat. Wow. Savory. That's nice. I like that. All right, let's put her together. I'm going to use my signature black plate that I enjoy so much. It's my signature black plate. I like the image that they have on the package. That looks pretty nice. Of course, they've got that beef there. That's rendang. It's like a dry beef, but it's not super dry. But you'd have to have it to understand. Now I'm gonna. Am I making a mistake here? Let's find out. I think that'll work. Now I take this cup, see? I try to tamp it down a little bit. And then I go like, let's see, we got that and that. I want it kind of like right, maybe right here. Kind of in a little pile. I like that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, egg. Egg, are you with me, egg? Come on, egg. shooting for a perfect egg. It's not too bad. Ooh, 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 ee, It's not, I will say yes, it is imperfect, but it's not bad. And then we've got our corned beef, which I think I'll just use the same methodology that I had for the first part. I'm plating here. I want it to look nice. I don't know how well this is going to go, though. What about... kind of like that. Kind of. And we've got our fried onion. Tricky part is going to be getting the nice picture because the sun is being cranky. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, very crisp. And yeah, like I said, all I got is spring onion. I do have mung bean sprout, but I don't see how that would work so great. I do have some sesame seeds. Let me take a gander at that. It's very off-centered. At least it feels like it. This can actually be a handy tool for kind of looking at it. Okay, Rotato, give me some thoughts on this. Yeah, I think that's how it's going to be. I could... little green there. Little green there. Little green there. And I think we're almost done. Yeah. All right. Well, cool. That's really good stuff. Thanks for watching. Yeah, Mommy Chef, you got to check them out. This is really quite good. Might be a really hard one to find in the States, but Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, you should be able to find it, I think. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.